You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly. You don't want to confuse those two pronunciations. They have very different meaning. So let's start. This is a drink, a beverage known as Coca-Cola, but everybody refers to it as Coke. Coke. All right, Coke. That's the pronunciation. Now, the animal, which is a rooster, the male chicken, this is also a familiar word designating male genitals. Cock. Cock is the pronunciation. Cock pronunciation versus Coke. Coke or cock. Very different. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.